Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel of Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So for today, it's baking time! I'm not into baking, pero I love to experiment. So for today, gagawa tayo ng simple cheesecake recipe na tatawagin kong corn and mango cheesecake. Ayan. So again, this video is best for beginners who wish to try my cheesecake recipe. So ang ating ingredients ay, of course, meron tayong sweet corn. Ito yung in can. So half lang to, half can ng sweet corn. And then of course, meron tayong mango. And then 2 eggs. And then ito yung binili kong cream cheese, Magnolia cream cheese. Mas mura kasi compared sa ibang brand. And then meron tayong 1 pack of Nestle cream or any kind of cream. Pero alam naman natin, we always use, sa mga Pinoy, we always use Nestle cream. And then meron tayong 1/4 cup of sugar and then 1/2 cup of flour. So yan lang po yung ingredients natin sa ating cheesecake. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng ano daw yun, yung pang base natin na biscuit ba yun? Or graham crust with what do you call the butter. Hindi na natin lalagyan ng base. Okay, so let's start.
And then add the Nestle cream. I suggest na ilagay nyo sa ref yung Nestle cream para maging thickened siya. And then mix well. Wala tayong electric mixer, kaya do the manual thing. Then let's put the flour. After mixing well, let's put the egg. 2 eggs. 1 egg first, and then put the next one. Ayan, so let's bake our cheesecake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Pero, depende rin yan sa oven na gagamitin nyo. Okay? This is it! Okay na to, guys. Ayan, after natin ma-cool down for a few minutes, let's put the toppings, guys. Wow, it looks yummy. Sakto yung pagkaka-bake natin. So, ito na ang ating corn and mango cheesecake chilled overnight. So, it's tasting time. Ayan, so let's slice the cake. So, hindi gano'ng maganda yung presentation. Hindi siya perfect kasi I'm still a beginner in baking. Pero, ang importante, nakapag-bake tayo and for sure, masarap. Ayan o. So, maganda yung pagka-bake natin. Yummy! So, try nyo to guys at home. Surprise your loved ones, your kids with this simple cheesecake recipe. Yet so yummy! Ayan, so it's tasting time. First time kong gumawa nitong corn and mango cheesecake. And after breakfast, sabi ko kay Vince, try na natin. Aba, sarap ah. Promise, masarap siya guys. Kaya nakapantulog pa ako kasi after breakfast, try na natin ang aking cheesecake. So, try it at home guys. Surprise your loved ones with this yummy corn and mango cheesecake. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye for now. God bless. Bye.